Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve for the value of t given this nice exponential equation which is 3 to power t plus 3 to power t plus 3 to power t. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of t? Solution. From here we have that 3 to power t is common here. So we factor out 3 to power t so that we'll have 3 to power 2 into the parentheses 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 72. So this implies that we have 3 to power t times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 72. So let's divide both signs by 3, also here by 3, so that now we have 3 to power t, this is equal to, now we have 72 divided by 3, so this is equal to 24. So this is equal to 24. To solve for the value of t, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that here we'll have log 3 to power t. This is equal to log 24. So this means that log 3 to power t, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then you find that log 3 to power t can be expressed as t log 3. This is equal to log 24. So divide both signs by log 3 by log 3. So let's divide both signs by log 3 so that t is equal to log 24 divided by log 3. Now we can express 24 as 8 multiplied by 3. So this implies that t is equal to log, this is 8 times 3 divided by log 3. Now we can express log 8 times 3. This is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, then this follows that the value of t will be equal to, now applying this logarithm property, then this follows that the value of t will be equal to, this is log 8 divided by log 3, then plus log 3 divided by log 3. So let's simplify log 3 and log 3 here, so that this is equal to 1, and this implies that t is equal to 1 plus log 8 divided by log 3. Now from here, we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. Let's substitute this so that now we have t equal to 1 plus, this is the same thing as log 2 to power 3 divided by log 3. Now you find that log 2 to power 3, okay, by applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now applying this power rule property, then here we'll have t equal to 1 plus log 2 to power 3, which is 3 log 2 divided by log 3. Now we have that log 2 divided by log 3. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now applying this logarithm property, then this follows that the value of t will be equal to 1 plus, now this is the same thing as 3 log 2 to base 3. So this is the value of t. So this is the value of t. So let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of t, which is 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall here, we end at 3 to power t plus 3 to power t plus 3 to power t. This should give us a value of 72. And from this equation here, 3 to power t is common, so we factor out 3 to power t. Now here we'll have, into the parentheses, we'll have 3 to power t divided by 3 to power t, this is 1, plus here we'll have 1, then plus here we'll have another 1, this is equal to 72. So this implies that here we have 3 to power t times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this should give us a value of 72. Now the next step here is to substitute the value of t, which means that we have 3 to power t, which is 1, plus 3, this is log 2 to base 3, multiplied by 3, this should give us a value of 72. Now 3 to power 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, this can also be expressed as 3 to power 1 plus log 2 to power 3 to base 3. Now this 3 is a power, so that's why we have log 2 to power 3, then to base 3, multiplied by 3. Now this should give us a value of 72. Now the next step is that 3 to power 1 plus log 2 to power 3 to base 3, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Now applying this exponent property, then we'll have that this is the same thing as 3 to power 1 times 3 to power log 2 to power 3 to base 3. This should multiplied by 3, this should give us a value of 72. Now this implies that here we have 3 times, now 3 to power log 2 to power 3 to base 3, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, and this should give us a value of a. Now applying this logarithm property, then this implies that 3 to power log 2 to power 3 to base 3, this will give us a value of 2 to power 3, and 2 to power 3 is equal to 8. So let's substitute this. So we have 3 times 2 to power, that is 3 to power 2 to power 3 to base 3, this is 8. So it will be 3 times 8, everything here multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 72. So let's check if this is true. Now 3 times 8, this is actually equal to 24. And we'll have 24 times 3. This should give us a value of 72. So 24 times 3, this is equal to 72. And this is equal to 72. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of t, which is equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.